Alright, so I just got this camera in from eBay today. I'm gonna unbox it for you. It's gonna be a quick video because you can obviously see this is a tiny box. But this is a camera for a video I'm working on right now. Or I guess I'm just starting to work on it because I haven't even got the camera yet. But I've been planning it. This is a Sony RX100 Mark IV. So this is the cheapest camera that you can buy that can record 1000 frame per second super slow motion video. This is the cheapest one. Now not only that, this typically goes for like $300 to $400 used, on eBay or wherever you get used cameras from. And that's already the cheapest camera that you can get to record 1000 frames per second video. But I found this one on eBay with a few issues. It supposedly has a cracked screen that makes the colors all weird, which I'm hoping is just on the screen and not actually in the recording. I can always put an external monitor on it and the screen still works, so I can still record what I need to record, but I got this for $200. So pretty much half of what, this camera typically sells for in good condition. So I'm just hoping it actually does function. The listing said no batteries included, but it does power on. But I do have a couple batteries for it to test it out. So I'm gonna do that. But yeah, $200 for an RX100 Mark IV. That is a crazy steal. So let's just get this thing out. Looks like it's packaged pretty simple, but packaged pretty well. Definitely doesn't look like it's been damaged in transit or anything like that. Alright, here we go. Okay, and some more bubble wrap. Just trying to get this out. Oh, there it is. Trying not to cut the camera though. There we go. Alright, here it is. $200 RX100 Mark IV. Alright. First impressions. Not too. This ring that I think you can change to program it to be whatever you need it to be. This ring up here, kind of like a focus ring. Very difficult to spin. It still does spin, and I hope it works, but yeah, it's very difficult to spin. Besides that, there's definitely a cracked screen. Let me get my face out of here because it focuses on my face and try to show you this. Oh, I don't know if you can see it or not. But yeah, it's cracked starting right here all down the side of the screen. So let's see. There's no battery or memory card in there. The screen still flips and everything. USB port looks a little beat up. I really hope the HDMI port works so I can plug in a monitor. Yeah, the HDMI looks good. The body's kind of like separating, like it's almost like pulled apart a little bit. This thing's definitely really beat up. The flash comes out though. Yeah, this thing is definitely really beat up. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a battery. Should be right here. Got a couple batteries. Let's see if this thing will power up. Now there will be, like I said, I'm working on a full video about this, about recording super slow motion with it. That'll be on my main channel. If you're not subscribed to that, go down and hit the subscribe button down in the description. And if you are, definitely stay tuned on that channel for like a real video about this camera. That doesn't sound that good. It doesn't sound normal. That's like the lens coming out. But either way, let me try to turn this ring. Yeah, okay, so that's changing the aperture right now. It's basically an aperture ring, and it's working fine. Just really hard to spin. Now, I'm gonna show you the screen. It's really weird. So it's gotta just be the screen. I really, really hope it is, and the footage is fine. And I mean, judging by the crack in the screen, I'm guessing it must be. But let me see how well you can see that. I don't know if you're gonna be able to. It doesn't even look like it's... Oh, there we go. I have the polarizing filter on it. Okay, there we go. There's it's all black right there and right up there. There's kind of like a streak of visible area, but there's really weird colors and stuff. So definitely gotta just be from the screen. Oh, the little shutter thing on the front of the lens that kind of covers the lens, that didn't even open all the way. I forgot that was in the listing too. That you have to manually just pry that open. So now now the full screen's functioning. but the colors are super weird. Autofocus is actually like really fast. It's really good. Let's try to zoom in. Sounds kind of weird zooming in, but it looks fine. It functions fine. Little vlog test. Yeah, there's like a yellow, oh, there's like a blue tint now. There's like a yellow tint on all the highlights. Everything that's like somewhat bright. There's an extreme yellow tint, and then I think when it gets even brighter, it turns like blue. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna mess around, record some video, see if it works. I'll go from there, and then you'll see. Oh, let's try the viewfinder real quick. Okay, the viewfinder popped up. Yeah, the viewfinder, all the colors are completely normal, so it's definitely just the screen, which is great in my opinion. I mean, I can still record video, get good photos with it. Just has a little bit of a cracked screen, so that's awesome. Definitely stay tuned for the full video though. But yeah, that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more just random unboxings or, you know, just fun videos like this. If you want to see more of that, definitely subscribe. But that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next video.